Well, what do we have here? An orange, good. Wait a moment. Oh, Nutella. Perfect, yummy. The jar's almost empty. I guess it's Sam's jar. Gotcha. What? Even this one is half empty? Sam!
I'm here, Sue.
Why would you open a new jar if you haven't finished the previous one yet?
But, Sue, the jar is so deep that I can't reach its bottom.
In my opinion, you're just being lazy, Sammy.
Oops.
How many more unfinished Nutella jars are there in the fridge?
Just these two, Sue. Truly, just these.
Are you sure, Sammy?
Not exactly, but that's okay, Sue. Give it to me, I'll fix it right now.
No way, Sammy. I have a better idea. We'll use the remaining Nutella to cook delicious desserts.
Wow! Let's go, Sue. I already want to try Nutella Yummies.
Well then, let's get started.
And still, alone I could deal with Nutella quicker.
Hello, guys! Today we're going to make very yummy Nutella desserts. We'll begin with a milkshake.
A milkshake? Cool! So you can't do without this.
Thanks, Sammy. At least the milk bottle is full.
You hurt my feelings, Sue.
I'm just kidding. Right, we need to pour 500 milliliters of milk right into the jar with leftover Nutella. This way. Perfect. Now we need to microwave our future milkshake for 3 minutes. Ask an adult to help you.
Yes, be careful, guys. Let me help you, Sue.
It's better if we do it together.
Phew, okay. Sue, take it, quick!
What happened?
It's hot. Oh, guys, I wouldn't advise you to take a jar with your bare hands. Use oven mittens.
That's for sure, Sam. Okay, now let's shake our milkshake.
Shake it.
Do. Whoa, cool! We only need to add icing on the cake.
Whipped cream. Yummy.
And the finishing touch, sprinkles. That's what we've got. Looks so beautiful.
I'm ready to taste, Sue.
Good, Sam. Let's do it. Guys, do you want to see more cool recipes on our channel? Write your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
So yummy. Okay, Sue. What's next?
Judging by your hiccup, we can stop at the milkshake.
No, Sue, come on. I'll get hungry again by the time you prepare the next dessert.
All right, let's continue.
Whoa, magic.
It's time to make Nutella cookies. Sam, did you forget something?
All right.
Great. It's very simple. We need to add an egg into the Nutella jar, then some flour, and a bit of baking powder to make our cookies soft.
Sue, I have white chocolate chips left. What if we add some?
Ooh, great idea, Sam. Woo! It would also be good to add some nuts.
Here you are. I fought the squirrels valiantly for these nuts, and I won, Sue.
Oh, Sam, you've got a wild imagination. We bought these nuts yesterday in the supermarket.
Yes, but then the squirrels attacked me.
All right, okay. Now let's add some dark chocolate this way. And mix everything.
We're getting something interesting.
Cool, done! Now we'll use an ice cream scoop to form little balls out of the pastry. And put them onto the baking tray. This is what we've got. Now we need to place our cookies into the oven preheated to 170 degrees for 15 minutes. Well, Sam, did your hiccup pass? Are you ready to taste?
Of course. Oh, cool.
That's so yummy, guys. Sam, time for a snack. All right, cookies came out very tasty and warm. So now we'll make something cold. It will be popsicles.
Wow, popsicles! What do you need for this recipe? I was just gonna visit the fridge.
Besides Nutella, which I already have, I need cream and that's it.
Nutella, cream. I'm on it, Susie! Here you are.
Perfect. I'm adding the cream into the jar this way. Now we need to mix everything really well.
It reminds me of the milkshake we already made, Sue.
But this time we added cream. Now we only need to pour the mixture into the popsicle mold.
Oh, Sue, it's so cold in here. Wait, I'll be right back with a blanket and some hot tea.
Sam, no need for that. Popsicles will be ready even without you watching them closely.
No, Susie, I need to control everything personally.
All right, if you're so eager. So everything is ready. Now we wait a little until our popsicles freeze.
I'm ready. Guys, you like popsicles as much as I do? Write in the comments.
Well, Sam, how are you?
Perfect. The popsicles are ready.
All right, let's see what we've got. There, we need to twist the handle carefully not to break our popsicles. And take the ice cream out. Wow, amazing, it's a real popsicle.
Hey, Sue, I warmed up and I'm ready to try it.
Here, take it.
Cool.
Well, it's time to warm up a little. A Nutella cake is next. For the last recipe, we need...
Wait, Sue. Why do you need 3 types of flour?
Sammy, they're not 3 types of flour. They're flour, baking powder, and powdered sugar.
What? Powdered sugar?
Oh, no. Don't rush, Sammy. It's for the cake.
Oh, okay.
We also need 1 egg. Now, we add flour into Nutella. Right, then some baking powder to make the cake fluffy. And now we mix everything well. Our mixture's a little dry. Let's add some milk.
Yummy, looks tasty, Sue.
Perfect. Now let's microwave it for 5 minutes.
Wow, Susie, did you see it? It looked like a volcano.
Yes, Sam, it was awesome. We only need to sprinkle our cake with some powdered sugar. Beautiful. Sam, it's time to taste. Do you have some free space for cake?
Of course, Sue. Even for 2 cakes.
Guys, if you want more yummy recipes, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.